What's up, y'all? It's your boy Kalin Trades back with another video. Raw, uncut, unfiltered, and the dream car from the money that I got from the market. Was able to pay this thing in cash, man. I wanted to share something with you guys really quick, and I just got to be real with you guys. And I know I might get cooked for this video, but I honestly don't care. I really feel like I got to put my 2 cents into this because there's a lot of struggling traders that are struggling for reasons that they might not know. But if somebody told you that revenge trading is a discipline problem, they have completely lied to you. That's not the real reason, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. So you know exactly how it goes. You take a clean setup, you got a proper entry, you got good risk management, and everything just looks good, and you're doing everything by the book. And then the market, as I like to say, it just claps you. It just takes you out. Sometimes my worst losses are like in a matter of seconds, right? So the market takes you out and you're just done. You hit your stop, you're done. And something deep inside of you is trying to prevent you from snapping. Have you been through that before? I've been through that before so many different times. And you fight the urge, and then you end up snapping. Now, you go back on the charts and you start looking for trades that don't exist. And then you start sizing up, and then you start breaking every rule that you said that you would follow, and then you end up losing more money, and then you become really cooked. Am I preaching to somebody? Am I telling somebody's story in this video? Bro, oh my gosh, I forgot. Match is the leading prop firm comparison platform on the internet. You need to rock with them. They're sponsoring this video. Please show love to them. Please hit the link in my description. Go ahead and get them. If you're looking for a prop firm, whether it's futures, forex, or crypto, you can rock with Match. They are the GOAT. I'm trying to tell you, bruh. Any prop firm that you see on their website is vetted. So don't get scammed by no prop firms, man. I've gotten scammed by so many prop firms in my 3 years of trading, and I don't want that to be you. So please show love to Match for sponsoring this video. Let's keep going. I feel like I can talk about this because I've been there before. So I used to do the same exact thing, and for the longest time, I thought it was just me being weak. Like, I thought it was just me lacking discipline and not being mentally tough enough. And then I would start feeling shame. Have you guys ever like lost or went on tilt or crashed out and you just had shame? And then like the shame made everything worse, and I've cried in the shower, bro, off this trading stuff. Have you guys ever just had that before? So with that being said, people online are going to tell you the same exact thing. You got to get more discipline. You got to stick to your rules, and you got to have better risk management. And if you don't do that, then you're not going to make it in trading. And that's not wrong, but that's not the real answer. That's not the real reason. Because here's the question that I want you to sit with this, just real quick. Here's the question I want you to sit with. If it was a discipline problem, why don't you revenge trade on a sim account? Why don't you revenge trade when you backtest? If it was purely a discipline thing, you would spiral in every single area of your trading. But you don't. Why not? It's because it is deeper than discipline. Revenge trading is an identity problem. So when you lose a live trade, your brain doesn't just register, oh, I just lost $200, $300. No, it registers, I'm a failure. Like, it gets personal. Like, so the trade it's not just a trade. It becomes a test of who you are. It makes you question your character. Like, so it makes you ask things like, am I even good at this? Is this thing ever going to work out for me? Am I going to make it in trading? Am I going to be like the people that I see on YouTube and Instagram who are making all this money? And when your identity feels threatened, when you feel like it's you that are being attacked, your brain kicks into survival mode. And it's not just trying to fix the P&L or, the account. It's trying to fix the narrative. And so you're not just trying to make the money back. You're trying to prove to yourself that you're not a loser. Oh, I know I'm preaching to somebody. Somebody in the chat right now better give me an amen or a hand clap emoji or something. So think about it. Think about this. You know how if somebody talks crazy about your mom, even though you know fighting them is stupid, something in you snaps and it makes you react. I believe that we snap and do things outside of logic. We don't do it outside. We don't do it with logic. I believe that we do it because it's an ego projection. So revenge trading is the exact same thing. The market disrespected you. Now you're in your feelings and you want to fight back. But the market, we know this, y'all. The market does not care about your feelings. It is going to keep moving how it moves. Whether you had a good day, a bad day, a fight with your spouse. And the more emotional you get, the worse your decisions become every single time. So really quick, let me know in the comments. Have you ever caught yourself revenge trading, knew it was wrong, and still did it? Anybody in the chat, just let me know. Am I alone here? Because I've done that. Even after being profitable, getting my dream car, teaching a whole bunch of students, helping people become profitable, I have still done that. I have still gone on till knew that I was supposed to stop and still did it. Come on, man. I don't want to feel like I'm alone. So here's where it gets interesting, right? So once you understand that revenge trading is an identity thing and not just a discipline thing, the fix is actually a lot easier than you might think it is. So you're not trying to be stronger. You're trying to stop taking losses personally. And that's a different problem to solve. So here's what works. I actually wrote it down. And there's 3 things that I have. So the first thing that I would love for you to do, after you take a loss, you guys listening? Write it down if you have to. After you take a loss, walk away for 15 minutes. After you take a loss, walk away for 15 minutes. Don't let your emotions make the decisions. I typically tell people, like my students, to find some sort of escapism. Like go online and just escape for a minute. Now, don't go on your Instagram or YouTube if you're following people that make a whole bunch of money. Because there's nothing worse than losing $1,000 but seeing that somebody just made 20, right? So the second thing is, I want you to talk to yourself like a coach. Talk to yourself like a coach. So don't say things like, I'm stupid, I'm never gonna figure this out, I'm so dumb, why the heck do I always do this? No. Talk to yourself like a coach. Say things like, yo, we'll get them next time. Yo, did you follow your rules? Yo, did blah, blah, XYZ, all that stuff. Like, coach yourself through these things. And honestly, this is why I believe that people need to join my inner circle, because we hold each other accountable. We're going to make sure that you are following the rules, following the strategy, following the system. We on your head top. So if that interests you, the link will be in the description. Join the inner circle or join our VIP in my Discord, man. We hold each other accountable. We try to be a blessing to people. So that's what I have for number 2. And then for number 3, this one is really, really important. Follow the system and the plan that you have and don't stray from it. It's the reason why I developed my breakaway model and the indicator. Because if you follow your system and your plan to a T, now knowing that it's not a discipline problem, it's an identity problem, you can make the adjustment and not feel attacked when you lose a trade. So just like I said at the top of the video, revenge trading is not what you think. It is a discipline problem. It's not a discipline problem. It is an identity problem. And the second you stop trying your worth in individual trades, the revenge trading starts dying on its own. I am preaching to somebody. Amen in the chat right now. So I just want to encourage you. You're not weak when you overtrade a revenge trade or try to get your money back. You're human. Everybody does it. Profitable traders do it. That's why we got automation. That's why we're getting ready to put this bot out. The hedge funds, institutions, and banks not sitting at thousands of computers no more. Automation runs trading. It runs the world, okay? So you're not weak for doing it. You're human. But now you know the reason. And now you know how you can actually fix it. And look, I even took it a step further. Like I just mentioned, I automated my whole system. So instead of you having to worry about marking the charts, placing the trades, being emotional, if you have the money to invest in it, you can use it. My strategy has close to a 90% win rate when you do it correctly. Imagine having an indicator or both. You can have the indicator or the bot. The indicator will tell you when to buy and sell, scans trading view for you. So it tells you, where you can look at. Or you can use the bot, and it tells you exactly where, they don't even tell you nothing, it just places the trade for you. All you got to do with the bot is withdraw and pay your taxes. Anyway, if you guys want to know more about the bot, click this video right here because I give a live example of me catching a trade. It's actually insane. I did it in front of my Discord group. As I was introducing it to him, it was the craziest thing. And I also talk about just my automation, man. I believe that automation, AI, all that stuff is really going to help a lot of us become better traders if you have a system and a plan. So go ahead and check that video out right there. And I will see y'all in that video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you there.